Hi guys, welcome back to Faye's Corner. I'm Faye. In today's video, we are going to look at a drawing product that I've never used before. It's the electric eraser. So I'm not gonna lie, the first time I saw an electric eraser, I thought, what? Like, who's that lazy that they cannot just erase their drawing like every normal person? But of course, I made some research because I was curious, and now I understand. So the electric eraser actually gives you the opportunity to erase all your construction lines. It gives you the ability to create light, like if you did like with charcoal or with lead pencil, like a very dark drawing, you can use the electric eraser to make really thin line. So it's very interesting. And also it can give you the opportunity to make really sharp edges and to make very like straight lines. One thing that I really want to try is that instead of using the fine liner to do like the air stroke, I can use the eraser to make those lines. So I'm really curious to see if the one that I bought works. So the electric eraser market is very vast. There's a lot of different types of electric eraser. If you live in Quebec, you do not have any choices. There's like one brand. If you want to explore a little bit more and buy another brand, you have to go online. There's no other way, because I think in Quebec, I don't even remember what's the brand, but it's one brand. So personally, I didn't want to buy the one that was available in Quebec. I wanted to try the Afmat, so the AFMAT, because it had a really great review on the internet. So I wanted to try this one. So the set was 46 Canadian dollars on Amazon. It came with a brush, with the USB cable. It came with 100 small riffles, 40 big riffles, and 6 That's funny cool. Do you see him? Nico, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Oui? So where was I? It comes with 6, I don't know how you call that, eraser holder. Like it's like a little thing that holds the eraser. So anyway, so when you change that, you can actually change the size of your eraser. It's rechargeable with a USB cable. So I didn't know if it was better to have one that was rechargeable or if it was better to have one with batteries. I didn't find any like information about that. So I decided to go with the rechargeable just for my green conscience. I really hate like throwing out batteries. So the electric eraser comes in this little box here. So, yeah, it shows you how to use it. So, like I said, it comes with a USB charger, a little brush, a user manual, smallest user manual ever. So it shows you how to replace the eraser, how to use the small one with the, like I said, the eraser holder. I don't know how to use, how to charge, everything. with a bag of big erasers. So it's these ones. And you have the eraser holder. Then you have a bag of small eraser. They are really small. I didn't think that they were that small. They are really, really, really small. And you have the eraser holder here. And then, of course, you have the eraser itself. Whoop. So, so it has a cap, which really clicks, which I love. And I don't know if you can see. So you charge it here. It's really nice. I feel like it has a great grip. It sounds like, you know, the thing that you use when you go to the dentist? That sounds exactly like that. So now we will try the eraser on some scrap lead pencil. So I'm gonna try the eraser. So right now it's the big one. So I did 4 swatch of 3H, 2B, 8B, and HB. It's the first time that I'm using this, so sorry if I'm... Wow. So it works really great. Whoop. So this one I had to push a little bit harder because the eraser kind of gets dirty. Let's try again. Yeah, so this one I have to push harder on it. Let's try the 2B. This one works well also. Okay, and the 3H. So right now I'm really pleased with the result. Of course, it's gonna be harder with the 8B because this is very, very like, I'm not sure how to say that in English, but it's more, it's darker, it's heavier, it's smoother. I don't know how you say I don't know how you say that in English. I also did a little drawing here because I wanted to try to see if I could do hair. So it really feels like being the dentist. Really feels like it. I'm gonna have to practice with this because, like I said, it's my first time. So I'm having a little bit of a hard time to have like sharp edges, but I guess that with practice I'll be able to do something. So this is the Afmat Electric Eraser that you can charge with a USB. There you go. As of right now, I'm not sure 100% if I'm gonna use that like regularly, but I'm super happy to have it. It works great. So for anyone who is used to work with this, I think it's a good eraser. Like I said, I'm gonna have to practice because like I'm not sure. Yeah, it still makes great lines. So yeah, I'm gonna have to practice with this just to make sure that I know how it works. The light, I guess it's when it's charging, so I'll have to check everything. But first impression, I think it's really great. It's not heavy, it's not very light also, so you know, it has a heft to it, so I really like this. The brush doesn't do much, like I have to, so I'm probably just gonna keep using my hand and just use this when I use like very, very dark lead pencil. Again, I'm not sure how you say that in English, but the brush doesn't do squat. So anyway, so here you go. This is it for the electric eraser Afmat review. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure that I'm gonna use this very often. Like I said, I'm gonna practice with this because I think you need to, you know, use it often just to get like, but I really like it. If you like electric eraser, if you are used to these, I think this is a good brand. I think it's a good product. It works, and you have a lot of refill, and it's rechargeable, so you don't have to run for batteries everywhere when you're drawing and you don't want to, you know, waste your time searching for batteries. So please tell me in the comments what you think about this product. Do you know this brand? Do you know this product? Would you recommend me another product? Would you recommend me another brand for this type of tool? So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to know when I post new videos, you can hit the bell button. Of course, you can follow me by subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!